Hello, welcome to Safra Korea's cooking channel. I am her mom here today with a new recipe, a vegetarian recipe. Now look at the vegetable that I am going to cook. It is called a bottle gourd or a green pumpkin. Okay, if you want you can use a white pumpkin also, ash pumpkin also with the same recipe. But today I am going to use this. Let's have a look at the vegetable. This is the pumpkin. Okay, the outer skin has been taken out, and it is about 700 grams. I will cut it into cubes, and what is the pith inside and the seeds will also be taken out. So give me some time to clean. See, I have washed it and cut it into these cubes. Okay, now the first step is I have to prepare the milk, coconut milk of half a coconut. So this is the, I've taken half a coconut, fresh coconut, scraped it and taken out the thick milk. Now the thin milk, I have to put these two ingredients and grind it. That is 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, jeera, and half teaspoon of turmeric. I have to mix it and grind it in the thin milk. I have ground the thin milk with jeera, cumin seed and turmeric. Okay. Here are the other ingredients that I am going to use to make this stew. This is 4 green chilies, a few coriander leaves, green, 2 onions, 1 piece ginger, and 1 lime. The first step of cooking is I will put this in the vessel. Keep it on medium flame. I'll put sufficient salt to taste. I usually don't use much salt, but you can put according to your. I'm putting in the thin milk which I ground with the 2 ingredients. Now I put in the ginger. Keep on medium flame. I put in the green chilies, 4 green chilies, coriander, and half of these onions. 2 onions I have taken and chopped them finely. The other onions I am keeping for seasoning with ghee. Now, squeeze in the lime. For some people put vinegar, but I prefer to put lime. Stir and cover it and keep it for 5 to 8 minutes to boil. Then will be the next step. See the color of the stew. Cover it, let it boil. Let this boil in the thin milk from 5 to 8 minutes because it has to cook well before I bagar it, before I season it. There's a next step for that. So it is cooked. Yes, it is cooked. 8 minutes have passed. I'll put it off. Okay, light vessel. Let it be heated. After boiling the vegetable, now I will season it. Seasoning step. I'll use 2 spoons of ghee, clarified butter. Let it get hot. Put in the onions and saute it for some time till it becomes translucent. Become translucent, okay? I'll put in the vegetable. Okay, now this is the time to put in the thick milk. Keep it to boil for 2 minutes and put it off. Don't boil it more than 2 minutes. Check for the salt. You can add in little more salt if you wish. Put it off. Serve it. Now let me taste. Let me taste the stew. Very nice. Very nice. The lime flavor I'm getting. Coconut juice. The vegetable is cooked. Very nice. Turmeric is added when the coconut has been ground. Very nice. Why don't you try this recipe? Enjoy cooking and put in your comments to tell me whether it was good or not good. No problem. And give your suggestions if you have any. I'll be putting more recipes, okay? Very nice. The onions are tasting crunchy, and you can prepare this vegetable even with ash gourd, the white pumpkin. Very nice. Same method. I believe it's very good for health. It's quite hot. We can put vinegar instead of lime also, but I prefer lime. Thank you.